Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove Temu from search results. All right. It could be from a ton of reasons. For example, you wanted to turn off the ads from Temu from using Google Chrome. Another one is by removing Temu right here inside of Play Store. Let's say, for example, here in the search results, when we tap on the search function, as you can see, we have Temu right here. Now to be able to delete that, I'm going to show you how to do so later. All right. First up here is that when we go to our Google Chrome and look for Temu, right? Hit enter. Now, once we're in here, as you can see, there are a lot of advertisements right here from Temu itself. Now, in order to remove these ads from Temu, as you can see here, we have these three dots right here. When we click or tap on it, we will be able to see block ad. All right, as you can see here. Now, when we tap on it, as you can see here, it says ad blocked. Tap on X. Now again, go to Temu right here, which is the official link itself. Tap on it. And as you can see here, it says ad has been already blocked. Now when we refresh our web page right here, you can still see the website itself, but you won't be able to see ads from Temu. All right, now going back in here in Play Store to be able to get this thing out in the search results. The way to do this is by basically going back to your home screen, tap and hold on Play Store or App Store if you're using iOS. Once done, we're going to want to tap on the information icon. Now, if you're using iOS, just go ahead over to Settings, then General, then Apps, tap on Temu, and tap on Offload App, all right? Or Offload Data. Now, in here on Android, we're going to tap on Storage. But first up, tap on Force Stop, hit OK. Tap storage. Now clear cache right here. All right. And clear storage. Once done, hit OK. After that, go back and open up Play Store. And it should require us to log in. And as you can see here, welcome to Google Play. Just go ahead and tap on Not Now right here. Either it requires us to log in or it will just automatically log us in. Now when we go to our search results right here, and when we tap on the search function, as you can see, our whole history has been deleted. And that's how you remove Temu from search results. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.